If you're experiencing issues with the Sims 4 update getting stuck, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. This guide will help you get back to playing as quickly as possible. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and working properly. A slow or intermittent connection can cause updates to stall. You can test your connection by browsing other websites or streaming videos. Step 2. Restart the game launcher. Close the Sims 4 game launcher completely and reopen it. Sometimes, simply restarting the launcher can resolve temporary glitches that may be causing the update to hang. Step 3. Clear cache files. Navigate to the game's cache folder and delete any cache files. This can help eliminate corrupted data that might be interfering with the update process. Look for the cache folder in the game's installation directory and delete its contents. Step 4. Run as administrator. Right-click on the game launcher icon and select Run as administrator. This can help bypass any permission issues that might be preventing the update from completing. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If the update still won't complete, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling The Sims 4. Make sure to back up your saved games and custom content before doing this to avoid losing any progress. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue with the update getting stuck. If problems persist, consider reaching out to the game's support team for further assistance. Happy gaming!